Freaking lovely.
That'd be a photo, master.
Secret life of crabs. Crab feeding, mate. Do it.
Hey, I'll just jump in.
Yeah. See that just jump over there? So we'll take pictures of each other, taking pictures of each other. Weird.
I've never seen that happen.
Yeah, we've been out here a bit too. Aliens must have left it.
Have you got a fish in?
Kill's got the first one. For the day.
Can you feel it pulling on it?
I saw it go for a run a second ago. So just keep winding. Beginner's luck, I like it.
Give me my fucking fishing rod back.
Alright, pull this in, I need to get mine in.
Awesome.
Hang on, just let it do that.
This is what it's all about. That's going to be a 3-foot bull shark, I reckon.
It's going to be something like that.
Oh, nice. A lemon.
It's not coming in. Doesn't want to come in. Shark.
Oh, hang on. It's a fucking mackerel. It's a small fucking mackerel.
Oh, look at that motherfucker. Grab that.
Fuck out of me way. Bring it back this way.
Bring it back. It's alright, hang on, just hang on. No worries. You fucking ripper. Freaking hell, Kill.
Yeah?
We're bringing you next time. It's a long way to the shop if you want a sausage roll.
A little teeth mark.
Yeah, same like before.
I just, as soon as Ralph was spewing, me rod just went bang, bang. That's enough, Burley.
Still got more.
I think you just got a bite on your rod too.
Yeah, I'm burleying right here.
You can't spew on fish.
Watch me. Sounds rather fish like. Another one.
Yeah. You might want to drop the anchor somewhere because there's a big fucking school of them under us.
Can you do that?
Beautiful.
Ooh, angry fish. Very fucking angry fish. Very nice.
Please be hooked in the mouth, please.
Oh, please, dear God.
This is a shark.
Yeah. Lost him. You better fucking catch it this time. I'm gonna be very upset.
This has got a wire leader on.
You can't fucking bite it, surely.
Baby shark.
Oh, yeah.
You want to grab him? You got him?
Oh, he's gone.
Oh, you had to get up, didn't you?
I'll grab him. What is he? What's it?
You deserve to live.
It's true.
Beautiful fish, eh?
And it's a boy too. See the classes?
Yeah.
Oh, that wasn't necessary.
Right, you finish it.
Yeah.
Oh, this could be a mackerel.
Could be anything at this stage.
No, it doesn't feel like a shark.
Oh, good. I'm hungry.
Now it's coming up the top.
I lost all my lunch. Oh, that's a mackerel.
Okay.
That's a good one.
That's too small.
Might be close.
Good photo. Pick me up, put me down.
School of fish coming through.
Nice. Paul has caught something. Paul has caught something. It's time to rejoice. Oh, he tried to get Mark with it. He tried to get Mark.
Just save you the ruler, buddy.
Ouch.
He hardly fought all the way in. Now he wants to fight.
Yeah.
He's not in the water.
Now he's knocked himself out. I think.
Just about. No, mate, you give yourself an injury.
Bit of fucking
Bit
bait.
that hook off. I got him over the side.
You kidding me?
No, he bit it off like a thing.
No hooks.
Look at that.
Right there.
That is a luck.
Right there. Alright, let's measure him. Put him back.
I reckon he's big enough.
Thank you.
Happy?
I am actually. I've got a blood on my feet, but now I'm happy. Look at this. This guy is humane. Not human.
Humane.
Not human.
I'm not an animal!
Not human, but humane.
I'm not a human. He fucking bit that off fucking there. Destructive.
Paul, how does it feel to not be?
Feels good.
Paul feels gay.
Oh, I'm feeling a little bit sexual.
Better turn the camera off now.
I told you that.
What was that?
It's a family show. Right? The whole life. Nobody knows. It's fun being the captain, right? It's fun being the captain, right? What? Hey. Hi.
Jump! 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 I'm happy.
Well, thanks.
Look Look at this. This guy is humane. Not human.
Humane.
Not human.
I'm not an animal!
Paul, how does it feel to not be?
Feels good.
Paul feels.